Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious tablet releases of 2025, signaling Xiaomi's intent to challenge the very best in the premium tablet space. Ahead of its official unveiling on May 22nd, the company has already confirmed many key specifications that give us a strong idea of what to expect from this flagship slate. At the heart of the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra is the new X-Ring 01 chipset, a custom in-house processor that recently surfaced on Geekbench. While full performance details are still under wraps, Xiaomi's decision to equip its Ultra model with proprietary silicon suggests a push for better integration between hardware and software, much like what Apple and Huawei have done with their ecosystems. Visually, the tablet makes a bold impression. It features a stunning 14-inch OLED display surrounded by ultra-slim 3.95mm bezels, offering an immersive experience for productivity, media consumption, and creative work. This expansive screen real estate, combined with the vivid contrast and color depth of OLED technology, sets the stage for a top-tier visual experience. Despite packing an enormous 12,000 mAh battery, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra is remarkably sleek. At just 5.1mm thick and weighing only 609 grams, it defies expectations in terms of portability and build. This is made possible by an advanced design that incorporates a reinforced metal frame for structural durability, while still embracing a premium look and feel. The tablet is designed to be paired with a new magnesium alloy keyboard, emphasizing Xiaomi's push to turn this device into a true productivity companion. The keyboard itself appears to be thoughtfully crafted for long working sessions and smooth integration with the tablet's hardware. When it comes to color options, Xiaomi is offering the Pad 7 Ultra in at least two confirmed finishes: light blue and black. These aren't just visual choices. The light blue model pairs with a stylish white keyboard, while the black version is matched with a black keyboard, giving users a way to personalize the aesthetic of their work and play setup. With 120-watt wired fast charging, users can expect dramatically reduced downtime, even when dealing with a massive battery. This makes the tablet particularly well-suited for professionals and creators who are constantly on the move and need a device that can keep up with a demanding schedule. Altogether, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra seems to be a meticulously engineered device that balances power, portability, and design. It's a product that signals Xiaomi's growing confidence in developing high-end tablets, not just as media devices, but as full-fledged productivity tools. With the official launch just around the corner, the Pad 7 Ultra already looks ready to compete with the best offerings from Apple, Samsung, and Huawei in the premium tablet market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.